Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Jeromekeys Music. So many of you have been saying I should do a bassline breakdown on keyboard for you. So I'll be doing a tutorial on a bassline for you today. So keep watching. So guys, what I was playing is very simple. It's just very simple. I was just playing. So I'm playing on the key of F sharp. I'm playing on the key of F sharp. So the notes I was playing is do, sol, la, mi, do, fa, 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 re, so, re, so, do, do, do. Do, sol, la, mi, do, fa, 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 re, so, re, so, do, do, do. Guys, it goes like this. So you can just be putting feeling. I'm just putting feeling on my right hand. I've teach you so many ways you can play the lead on your right hand, so I can still teach you this one, but I'm teaching mainly on the bass today. Guys, do, sol, la, mi, do, fa, 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 re, so, re, so, do, do, do. I know you know this one. So there is other bass line you can use. Another one now. Do, sol, la, do, fa, fa, re, so, do, do. Do, sol, la, do, fa, fa, re, so, do, do. Do, sol, la, do, fa, fa, re, so, do, do. Do, sol, la, do, fa, fa, re, so, do, do. So you know this one. That is, I've given you two bass lines you can use. Right? Second one. So let's go to the third one you can use. Do, sol, la, do, fa, 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 la, fa, la, re, si, so, do, 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 mi, do, mi, do. So this one goes like this. Do, sol, la, do, fa, 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 la, re, si, so, do, 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 mi, so. Do, sol, la, do, fa, fa, la, re, si, so, do, mi, so. You understand? Do, sol, la, do, fa, la, re, si, so, do, mi, so. There you go. do so so do so so do 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 so do 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 fa fa do so so do so so do do so do so so do so do so so do so do so do so do fa fa la re ti so you understand? Do so so do so do so do so do fa fa la so do fa fa la re ti so do so so do do so do fa fa la re ti so do do. So I've teaching you some bassline you can use on your Highlife, so you can still play something like it. So you can still play something like this also. This song goes like this: do so la la, mi fa fa, re so 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 do so la la, mi fa fa, re so 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 do so la la, mi so 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 do so la la, mi fa fa, re so 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 do. You can see play it octave. So thanks for watching, friends. Thanks for watching. I'll also do a second edition of bassline breakdown for you. I can do another one on Ariaria beats. So this one is for Highlife. You can use this one for Highlife. So I'll still do a bassline tutorial for you on Ariaria beats. Thanks for watching and God bless you.